Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view someone TikTok without them knowing. So first of all, we will have to go into the TikTok mobile application. Just click over here and you have to go into the profile section. But before that, let me inform you that in the latest version of TikTok, whenever you open someone video and you watch it, and you till the time you didn't like that video, nobody will come to know that you have seen his or her TikTok. So it's only depend up to you. When you like this video or when you like her or his TikTok, then only the user or the person or the creator will know about you, that you view her video and you liked her or his video. Okay, but if you are talking about the how to how someone you can view TikTok profile without them knowing. So basically on the top right side corner, you can see here there is a eye icon. Okay, so click over that. And first of all, it will show you that these four options. The first one is you you can other people can see that you view their profile in the past 30 days. Only you can see who viewed your profile. Only viewers who turn on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. So it exactly mean that if you turn on, just below down here there's the option turn on. If you will turn on and you view someone profile, that user will come to know that you have viewed their or his profile. Okay, but if somebody view your profile and it is turned on, then you will come to know that somebody has seen my profile. Okay, so this is the way that how you can check that who viewed my TikTok profile and who viewed my TikTok video. And you can just check that how you can without letting them know that you saw his or TikTok. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you have any doubt, you can just comment down below. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye, take care.